And we keep going on the Photoshop Basic series by ToothPad. On this lesson, we're going to see masks. Let's start explaining what are they used for and how do they work. Layer masks are used for hiding parts of your image you don't want to see. It could be compared to erasing, but with the difference that it's reversible, as simple as that. With working with masks, we're going to use two colors, black and white. And you must make the next association. White with light, where we see, and black with darkness, where we don't see. Now that you know this, let's get started. Click on the upper layer and on this little button down here. As you see, a white layer appears next to the drawing. This is our mask. Now, with a black brush, let's paint over our drawing and see how the layer underneath comes out. If you want to bring out some of the hidden parts, just go over and paint with white. Another way to work with masks is through selections. Here we have already our mask created. So let's make a selection using an elliptical tool. Fill it in with black and you're done. If you don't want your mask anymore, you can throw it to the trash can or hide it like you would do with a normal layer. And to finish, let's see the quick mask. Click this icon under the foreground color. And with a brush or a selection as we did before, paint with black what you want to protect. You can correct your selection with white. And once you are finished, click on the Quick Mask button again. And look at how the part you've painted is now protected. So this is all we can tell about masks. See how it's not that complicated? You just need to have in mind what we've told you at the beginning. White equals light, where we see, and black equals darkness, where we don't see. So hope you find it useful and see you on the next lesson. Bye!